Why, hello. Sorry for the long delay, but I was needing to get my computer in for repair. And now that I have it back, I can start making videos again. So, let me tell you a quick story. So, here I am just chilling and exploring Arizona and having a nice day. And I just got a knack that I needed to make a wall, a barrier, and a little bit of shoring up the backyard. Well, as you can see, the photos before you, you are able to see some of the work that I was able to do just to make sure that things were nice and good. Well, shortly um, after I shored up the backyard, I have video of what happened afterward. Enjoy. Hailing in Arizona. For all those who want to know what an Arizona storm might look like, there you go. That there is a wall of sand with lightning, a little bit of rain. And as you can see, the wind is it's starting to get a little mad. I do not envy the people who's gonna have to clean up this neighborhood in a few days. Everything is yellow. Like the whole environment is now yellow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look. Oh, here it comes. Alright. Oh, that tree's coming down. Alright. I'm heading back in. Bye. Alright. It's been about 5 minutes since the last video. I can't believe how fast the storm came. Holy cow, it's almost a sandown instead of a whiteout. Yeah, so, alright, here's what I have to get inside. But yeah, so, Arizona storm, eh?